A very good morning, students, and welcome back to your ElGA-6 Remedial class. So, today we will be doing some more questions on adjectives. Yeah, so this was your homework. Day before yesterday, I given you this homework that you have to circle the adjective in each sentence and you have to draw a line under the noun it describes. Okay, the first one, the first one has been done. As an example, Jason painted a beautiful picture. Here, beautiful is an adjective because it tells about the noun. It tells about the noun, and the noun is picture. So, you have to circle the adjective and you have to underline the noun. So, the first one is four turtles climbed on the log. Students, I want all of you to join with me and do the answers right now. Okay, so do the first question. Four turtles climbed on the log. Just circle the adjective and underline the noun. Hurry up, student, do it fast. Okay, next we have Mr. Henderson's oldest son goes to college. Mr. Henderson's oldest son goes to college. Circle the adjective and underline the noun, student. Okay, moving on to the third one now. There is a squirrel on our front porch. There is a squirrel on our front porch. Circle the adjective and underline the noun. Okay, I hope you all have done it. Now let's see the answers. So, so the first one is four turtles climbed on the log. Here, four is an adjective and turtles is a noun. Okay, adjective is four and noun is turtles. Always remember that adjective tells about a noun. Mr. Henderson's oldest son goes to college. So here, son. Which son? Oldest son. Okay. So the sentence tells us about the noun, that the noun is oldest. So oldest is an adjective and son is a noun. In the third one, there is a squirrel on our front porch. The porch is a noun and it tells that they are talking about the front porch. Okay, so I hope all of you have checked your answers. Okay, let's move on. Okay, here we have another sets of question. I want all of you to just open your notebook and take pen or pencil and do this worksheet along with me. So the question is, write an adjective to tell about the underlined noun. Choose an adjective from the box. Okay, as you can see, in each sentence there is an underlined word and that is a noun. In the first one it is who planted the dash flowers. Flowers we have underlined below the flowers, that means flowers is a noun, and you have to choose the best adjective from the box for the noun flowers. Okay, student, so do the first one yourself, then we will be sharing the answers afterwards. Yeah, write the first answer. Who planted the dash flowers? Choose it from the box. Okay, moving on to the next question. I see dash roses in a row. I see dash roses in a row. Whenever you see something in a row or column, okay, so we see them in a number, okay, so that things will be in number. So just see in the box, take the help from the box and write the best answer. Okay, moving on to the next question. We learn about flowers in a dash class. We learn about flowers in a dash class. In which class we learn about flowers? Take the help from the box and choose the best answer. Okay, moving on to the fourth one. I like to plant dash trees. I like to plant dash trees. Okay, moving on to the next. We can sit on the dash grass. We can sit on the dash grass. So I hope you all have remembered or you all have seen the grass and how the grass look like when you sit on it or when you stand. Okay, so I hope all of you have written your answers. It's time to check the answer now. Yeah, so in the first one we have who planted the pretty flowers. Okay, someone is asking a question that who planted the pretty flowers. The flowers are so much pretty. Okay, so the adjective is pretty. Next we have I see six roses in a row. I told you student that whenever they are talking about in a row or column, that things should be in number. Okay, so roses were in number. That means there were six roses in a row. We learn about flowers in a fun class. Okay, we all have fun classes and we learn about things like flowers, fruits, food, animals in a fun class. Okay, so the answer is fun. Fourth one, I like to plant little trees. Okay, whenever we plant a tree, the tree is always a little in shape. Okay, whenever we plant a tree, it is always in little in shape, a very small size. Okay, so that was very simple answer. I like to plant little trees. We can sit on the soft grass. Okay, whenever you touch a grass and whenever you sit on a grass, it feels very soft. Okay, student. So just check the answers. I want all of you to jot down this homework in your notebook and do it. Okay, this is your homework. We have to do adjectives. See the first box, they are helping you. Adjectives tells number, color, size or shape. Adjectives also tell how things look, sound, feel, smell or taste. Okay, so this is a helping box for you. That adjective tells us the number, color, size or shape. Anything can be adjective. And also the things that look, sound or feel, smell or taste also can be an adjective. All sentences end with an and mark. Okay, now what you have to do in it, read each sentence and you have to circle each adjective. Okay, and you have to write that in a and mark. Now as you can see in the first one, it has been done for you that I am cleaning my messy room. So you have to circle the messy. Messy is an adjective. Okay, I am cleaning my messy room. Messy room means a room which is uh, look like dirty room. Okay, so talking about cleaning the room. So in this way you will mark the adjective in all these rest questions. Okay, so this is an answer to the story that were asked in the question paper. So the question was, how does Ajay look? And you have to give evidence from the stories to support your answer. Okay, most of you have done this question wrong. So the correct answer is Ajay is short and wears round glasses. And you have to write the lines also. Okay, the lines from the story which tells us this are the first one, Ajay is short, and the second line tells that he wears round glasses. So this you have to mention in your answer, and none of the student has mentioned this. None of the student have mentioned this. So this is the correct answer. Write down this in your notebook. See the next question. When and where does the story takes place? Which lines in the story tell you so? You have to write the lines, you have to mention the paragraph lines or a paragraph which tells us the particular thing. Okay? Now in this answer, the story takes place on a Sunday at a camping place near the lake. The answer was simple. Many of you have written a good answer and congratulations for that. But nobody has written the proof, the lines in the story which tells you so. So the lines from the story which tells us this are the first one, yeah, it's Sunday. Okay, it was there in the story. And the second line was the drive to the lake and set up a camp. Okay, the second point is they drive instead of the write they. Okay, it's my mistake is written the. You have to write they drive to the lake and set up a camp. Okay, so this was the question when and where does the story takes place. Okay, just write down these answers in your notebook and do the homework which I have shared earlier with you. Okay, you can pause the video and note down all the questions. Okay, and don't forget to write this helping box. Okay, so thank you so much, student. Keep learning.